After unpacking the machine, place it as shown in the video. On level ground, use a spanner wrench to tighten the stand nut to fix the wheel and suspension. The rest is the same. The wiring mode of the material rack sensor in the tablet machine 4 corresponds to 4. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the screws for the material rack and the tablet machine. Use an Allen wrench to remove the screw. Install the roller in reverse, and then tighten the screw. Shunt mechanism 3 and tablet machine 2. Wiring method number 1:1 correspondence. Six is a long conveyor belt. The other end is placed on the ear loop machine 5. The right end is fixed with a belt, and the left end is tightened with screws to fix it. 7 is a short conveyor belt. The other end is placed on the ear loop machine 4. The left end is fixed with a belt, and the right end is tightened with screws to fix it. Disassembly and assembly of sensors between shunt mechanism and conveyor belt 6-7. Shunt mechanism and conveyor belt 6-7. Wiring method number 1:1 correspondence. Wiring method of conveyor belt and ear loop welding machine. Location of air tube and power supply.